right? Yeah. Okay, and now today we will talk about detox. Okay, detoxing the body. Now, what is the meaning of detox?
नमस्ते लता जी।
मैम आवाज काफी कम आ रही है, थोड़ा तेज हो सकती है? लाउड नहीं लग रही ज्यादा।
हाँ, अभी तो ठीक है ना, आवाज आ रही है?
अच्छा,
एवरीबडी एल्स कैन हियर?
आ रही है बट
नहीं, सबको आ रही है, तो आपके वहां से देख लेना। अच्छा, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिटॉक्स?
Remove toxins from the body.
Yes. And why is it important to detox?
For chi to enter, to become rejuvenated and energized to function
Yeah,
healthily.
yeah. We need to detox our body because we need to cleanse our body, right? We need to cleanse our body, and so if we have to protect our from any diseases and all, so it's very important that we detox our body. Okay, so time to time it's very important that we should detox our body. Now there are many ways of detoxing your body, many ways. Okay, so few ways I will share with you all. So there are few ways I will tell you all. Simple ways I will tell you all, the simple ways how you can detox your body. So now first is, in the morning you can start your day with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice. Okay. Now this simple habit, it will flush out all the toxins from the liver, and it will kickstart your metabolism. Right? So that's why they say no that you'll drink lemon water in the morning. You would have heard the first thing, like, because it detoxes our liver also. It is very good. So for fatty liver and all, it is very good. So we have to detox that way. You can also add a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon in that. You can also add that, and then you can, you can drink that. It will cleanse your body. It will help for detoxification. Now, second method, like that day I told you all, is deep breathing, because it is also one method of removing our toxins from the body. So what happens when we inhale in oxygen, and when we exhale out carbon dioxide. So that is all the bad toxins from the body. So that is one very good way. That's why we should do deep breathing. And that in first day I had taught you all how to do deep breathing. So you all can follow that and do deep breathing from that, right? So that is the very good method. Now, how many of you know what is oil pulling? Have you ever heard about oil pulling?
यस
Yes, oil pulling, it is a very
यस
good method. If you all want to prevent root canal and all in future, you all should do oil pulling. It is very good. For oral hygiene, it is very good. Okay. So what you have to do, you have
Yes.
to take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and you have to keep it in your mouth, and like this you have to do. You have to gargle. It should be in your mouth only. For at least 5-10 minutes, it should be in your 10-15 minutes actually. You have to put it in your mouth only. And you have to, keep it in your mouth and keep shifting from here and there. So that will improve your oral hygiene. And keep it for 10-15 minutes, and it works wonders. It is very, very good. So that way you all can do oil pulling. It is called oil pulling, and then you all can remove it out. After 10-15 minutes, you can remove it.
Coconut oil or butter?
Coconut oil.
Coconut
Coconut
oil.
oil.
Okay.
Yes, yes. You all will never have dental issues if you do this. So it is good for your oral hygiene. Then one method is, before taking bath, with the dry brush, what you have a new, you can take one new brush, any new brush, and with a dry brush, you just brush your body full every day. It will remove all your dead cells from the body, and it will detox your skin. This is very good for detoxification of your skin. Yeah, Gargiji, tell me.
No, correct. What I'm just nodding. It's basically lymphatic drainage.
Yes,
With
lymphatic
dry
drainage.
brushing is
Yes, yes,
that's what
yes.
happens with dry
Yes,
brushing.
yes, yes. You're right. Yes. Okay. So that
Hmm.
is a very good method. Just before taking bath, take a dry brush and brush all over your body. Okay. So
That is
yeah, that is
toothbrush or which brush?
toothbrush,
Tooth.
toothbrush. You can
Okay.
take one new toothbrush. Only for this you can take.
Okay.
Keep it one separate.
Okay.
Actually, you get a long brush, Lataji,
Yeah, we
which
get,
which
but now
has.
I know, but see, some people may not know. So it is better that, okay, something is better. Even this toothbrush also works for that. I know we get the long brush also, but to start instantly, you can take a toothbrush and you can start, and then you can look for the longer brush. Okay, so that way. Then the another method is that you can prepare detox water. Now, how you will prepare detox water? You will take one glass jar, put cucumber, put mint leaves, put ginger, and put tulsi. Now, any one of the item is not there, it is fine. Okay. But you all should take this and keep it in the night, overnight. And then this supports, it will cleanse your liver. It will cleanse your
Cucumber,
liver,
and
cucumber,
cucumber,
mint, lemon, ginger, and tulsi.
ah,
And just three pieces of each, not much. Keep it in the night, and then next day morning you can drink.
Lemon also is there in this. Lemon.
Yeah, lemon
Lemon
slices.
is also there.
Yeah, slices. You have to remove. You have to put the slices with the skin. Okay,
Okay.
so you have to make the slices. Even cucumber slices, not finely chopped and all. It is slices. 2-3 leaves of tulsi, one small inch of ginger, and mint 2-3 leaves. That's it. And in the night, you keep all this. Morning, you drink. It is very, very good. It will cleanse your liver completely. And it will also help your digestion power. Your digestion power will increase with this. Right? So this is one method. This is called detox water. It is called only detox water. And you all can do it every day. So then regularly, there is no need to detox. This only will help you a lot. Now, herbal teas also are good. Now, which type of herbal teas? You can take ginger water or lemon water, turmeric water. Add a pinch of turmeric in the water and you can drink that. You all can take ginger water also. It will help to reduce your inflammation. Any inflammation in the body, it will help to reduce that. Okay. So, and green tea also you can take. Some people drink also green tea. So, that is also good. Green herbal tea. That is also very good. Now, another most important method of detoxification is sweating. You all can sit because through sweating also your toxins come out of the body. So you all can sit in the sea. If you cannot do heavy exercise, you all can even sit in the sun for some time. So you will start sweating, isn't it? Now summers are there, so you can do. Of course, Bangalore has started raining now, but otherwise it will help you that you sit in the sun. Your sweat will come out. Anyway, the sweat should come out. You do whatever. Sweat, that is a very good way the toxins come out of the body. So that is a very good way. Then you can eat. Now, what you have to eat is high fiber, oxidant rich foods in your diet. You can include all these things. Okay, now like vegetables like spinach, beetroot, broccoli, fruits like apple, papaya, pomegranate, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds. Then spices like turmeric, jeera, ajwain. These are all, ajwain water, jeera water. These are
Ma'am, please
all,
repeat.
I'll repeat. Okay, fruits like apples, papaya, pomegranate, then vegetables like spinach, beetroot, broccoli, then seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, spices like turmeric, jeera, ajwain, and herbs like mint, coriander, tulsi. And these things, they make your blood very pure. Any dirty blood in the impure blood and all will go and new nice blood will come in this. And it will cleanse your liver and intestines also. So this is a very good way of detoxification through diet. So these are the ways. And then now we can do, now you all of you all are most of you all are Reiki students, so you all will know. Now we can do chakra meditation, chakra cleansing meditation. Now, how you will do chakra cleansing meditation to detoxify your body? What you all will do is, for each chakra, you all will, imagine a white light coming. White light coming and passing through the crown chakra, then the third eye chakra, then the throat chakra. But we just visualize this, but the results are amazing. No, you just visualize, but it will cleanse all your chakras. So this.
But you have to imagine the white light coming all the
From
way.
the
If you're
crown.
going all the way to the Mooladhara, but
Yeah.
shouldn't you visualize red?
Yeah, you can visualize, supposing now I will be sitting and visualizing white light coming. Now, when I see the crown chakra, I will think that it is coming on the purple part, then it is coming on the indigo part.
I see.
Here it is the light blue part, like that. So visualizing that, and it is really cleanses your chakra. And that is one form of meditation also, because you are concentrating on that, no? So that way also it will help you. If you start focusing on that, and that way also it will help you. So these are very good. And what happens, as the light moves, it will collect all the negative energies. And, if you have any stress and all, it will reduce the stress. So whenever you have stress, or you're thinking something, your mood is not there, it's bad, just sit for some time and start visualizing that light coming like this through all the chakras. So it will really, when you start visualizing the negativity, whatever negative energies are there, our thoughts, basically, that time we will be having our thoughts only. Whatever is there, it will go off like that. So understood? So this way you can do. Okay. And then, of course, the last and one very good way of detoxification is by saying affirmations and gratitude. That also helps to detoxify, cleanse ourselves, because we are saying good affirmations and we are saying gratitude for whatever we are having. So that is also one good method of, cleansing ourselves. So giving positive affirmations, like we can say, I lovingly release all the toxins from my body, mind, and soul. I am cleansed, energized, and deeply loved. And smilingly, I'll say this.
Repeat this once, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll repeat. I'll just mute. The affirmation you want me to repeat? Yes. I lovingly release all the toxins from my body, mind, and soul. I am cleansed.
I lovingly
Release all the toxins from my body, mind, and soul. I am cleansed, energized, and deeply loved.
I
am cleansed, energized, and deeply loved.
Deeply
loved. Loved, Loved. And then how you will say gratitude for this? You all will say, thank you for taking this time to heal and detoxify. Means we have to say for ourselves only, thank you that I have detoxified my body. Thank you, my body also. Thank you, my body, for allowing me to detoxify myself. And when you do this regularly, you will see the change. Definitely, you will see the change.
Thank you, my body, to detoxify myself.
Yes, thank you, my body, that you're allowing me to detoxify my body. Okay, so this is, I have given you all in general.